Yeah, welcome back to my channel. As you know, I create content on mobile phone graphic design with creativities. My videos are meant to help beginners, intermediate designers, and those who are interested in learning different mobile phone graphic design tips. A million thanks to my old subscribers. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified when I post new videos. Most designs are more attractive when you add photos, and most times adding a photo along with its background can ruin your design. This shows that before you make such designs, you must first remove the background from the photos. Otherwise, your design will look so bad. It will look so bad. In this video, I will teach you how to remove background from photos using a unique site. This time is not going to be Remove.bg, it's not going to be using Photopea or any other site, but a unique site. Interestingly, after removing the background, the photo will still retain its quality, unlike other processes that will reduce the image quality and make it blurry. Just watch out. For those who may be wondering what's the essence of removing background from photos, let me quickly show you something. Imagine that I want to create something like this. Okay, imagine that you want to create something like this. You know, I imported these two photos. They are same photos though. Imagine that you want to create a post like this. Let's say you downloaded this photo along with its background. You can't just use the photo with its background to make this. All you need to do is to go to the sites that I'll reveal to you in this video and remove the background from it. When you remove the background from it, the photo will now appear transparent. Can you see this? It appears transparent now. You can see they are both transparent. So let me quickly show you how to go about it. To start with, I'll copy this web link and paste it on my browser. It could be Google Chrome, Opera Mini, Firefox browser, Phoenix browser, or any other browser that you choose to use. So this is how I'll copy it. Copy. Then let me go to my Chrome browser and I'll paste it on my browser. Yeah. It will take me to the site for background remover. So if you want to access this link, check the description box. I attached it there. This site will help you to remove background from any photo without reducing the quality. When you use sites like Remove.bg, artificial intelligence photo remover, or other apps, you will notice that after removing the background, the photo will become blurry. A blurry photo will definitely make your design look very unattractive. So to make your design very beautiful, learn to use quality photos. But before you proceed, make sure that you've signed up with the site. So I believe by now you should know how to sign up to the site. Just need your email, create a password, confirm the password, put your name, and you are done. It's as simple as that. So now let's remove background from a photo. Let me teach you how to do it. You tap on this upload image, so this will come up. Then you tap on browse. When you tap on browse, it will direct you to your file. Let me choose this. This photo here is of high quality, so let's see if after removing the background the quality will still be retained. Watch out. This site takes time to load, so it's good for you to be patient. Always be patient to get your result. As you can see, it didn't take much time, so learn to be patient while using this site. So after that, you download your photo. All you just need to do is to tap on this download. Wait for it to download. Let's see. The quality of the photo is still there. Can you see this? It doesn't appear blurry. So you can see using Adobe Express is better than using other sites, and I believe if you should remove background from this photo using Remove.bg, you won't get the same results. So this is how it works. Get familiar with the site and always use it to remove your background.